Hi, I'm Cam from VICIVISION. I'm here to show you our Vici systems, which are purpose-built for measuring turn parts. So the Vici encompasses two main measurement techniques. The first is telecentric optics, which scan up and down the part and will be able to replace devices like shallographs, verniers and micrometers, as it has the ability to very easily measure items such as diameters, rads, angles and distances. Along with that, there is a fully rotational tailstock at the bottom which drives the part and allows you to very easily measure things like concentricity, runout, roundness and 3D diameters, replacing devices such as CMM measurements, but all the measurement is performed on the shop floor. The Vici has been designed and made with turn parts in mind, and the software is geared towards that kind of measurement. The idea being you are not using a CMM to measure turn parts, you're using a turn part measurement device to measure turn parts. That makes it extremely easy to program and use the system, as it is purpose built for your application. So here you can see the camera and the light source going up and down on the component, instantly generating a shadowgraph-like image. The machine is now rotating to get 360 degrees of data on the component, very easily allowing items such as roundness and concentricity and runout to be able to be calculated. Within a matter of seconds, you can measure all of the dimensions on a turn component, whereas it may have taken minutes or hours on a traditional CMM or with other traditional techniques. This machine allows shop floor measurement to be done within seconds.